We are going to update contacts and opportunities. We're going to upload them into Salesforce using the Data Loader IO, which is web-based. So we will start with logging into the Data Loader. We log in with Salesforce. I'm going to start with a new task. We're going to upsert, which means update if the record already exists, and insert if it does not. And we're going to upload contacts. And next. Now we need our CSV file. Now we need to map the fields, make sure they're all mapped correctly. For the account name, we are going to select account ID via the lookup, which means it's going to check Salesforce for an account that already exists. And any of these that say select, we're going to need to provide a zip code. So we have to have an identifier. So we're going to use contact ID for the email. So we're going to select contact ID instead via the lookup. Insert as new if no match is found. So if ken.coates@cbs.com does not exist, he will become a new contact as long as the account name, which is the company CBS Home, already exists. So now we'll click Next. Oh, I forgot the lookup field. Sorry, the lookup field will be email. And then we are going to run it. Now this may take a few minutes. So the upload is done. We have 9 successes with 3 errors. So we can look at the errors by clicking on the errors. It will save it, ask you what you want to save it as. I will just do what it says on my desktop. This is our first column, which is our column headers. So, status, could not find an account, American State Bank. So the reason why this entry here for Tiffany Leopold did not go in was because American State Bank does not exist. Second, is the account of Goodman Zimmerman Mortgage Company Corporation. That one also must not exist in our Salesforce database. And the last one looks like First Mortgage Company LLC, an Oklahoma limited liability company. Just a note, in Salesforce, the account name or the company name has to be what it is pulling out of RamQuest in order for it to be matched up. So those were our errors. So we can fix those and move forward. But in the meantime, we can see how the data loader uploaded our contacts. So we go to contacts. So we can see here that these were created today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So our 9 successes are right here, you can see. Now we can look at the accounts and look for the account name of the ones that we're missing. And then you can add it if it does not exist, or edit the name if the name here differs from the way it was pulling out of RamQuest. Now we're going to go back to the data loader and do new task, import, upsert. Now we're going to upsert our opportunities. Now again, we need to map our fields. So our opportunity name is going to be opportunity ID. Via the name. So insert new if no match is found. Now this is going to work through the process of uploading. The opportunity's finished with errors. It looks like we have 5 successes and 4 errors. So the 3 errors, 3 of them are probably the same errors because there's no accounts to tie them to, and accounts are a required field. So let's click on this errors and see what it says. So the first one is the Goodman Zimmerman Mortgage, which was one of the accounts that didn't exist in Salesforce. So that's just what we thought. This one Berkshire Hathaway Home Services. It's not, it says could not find an account with this name. So there's something with this account name that doesn't match from RamQuest into Salesforce. So it's a space, it's probably a space here between the home and the services. And if we look, we can see how it is in Salesforce, and if that's the case, then we probably need to edit it in RamQuest to match all the other ones. Here's another Berkshire Hathaway. See, this one is different. This one says Homes Services. No space and an S after Homes. So my guess is this one didn't work because there's an S. An American State Bank. This was another one that showed up on our contacts. So if we fix those contacts, then when we can re-upload the contacts and we can re-upload the opportunities, and those ones will go in. Now let's look at Salesforce and see what it looks like with the new opportunities that we just added. So we click on opportunities and click go so we can refresh it. Here it looks like here are the new ones that were created today. So let's click on this first one here, and as you can see, it again added our tasks automatically. So that is Salesforce uploading in a nutshell.